How to redeem your V-Bucks gift card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can redeem your V-Bucks gift card, so just make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to redeem your V-Bucks gift card, all you have to do is simply first of all go ahead and then open up your browser, then just go to Fortnite.com. I will also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box. Once you go to Fortnite.com, if you're on your PC you will find the more button at the top, but if you're on mobile, tap the three lines option from the very top right hand side, then just tap on this more option over here. And once you're on the more option, you'll find this option known as V-Bucks. You want to simply make sure to select that V-Bucks option here. Once you come to this V-Bucks option, right over here you can see it says redeem your V-Bucks card. So all you have to do is just tap on this get started button here. As you tap on the get started button, first of all, if you're not signed into Epic Games, go ahead and then first of all sign in with your proper Epic Games account. Once you sign into your Epic Games account, after this configuration process, automatically you're going to be taken to the next page where you can simply enter your gift card code and so on. So let us wait until what this page has to tell us. So right over here you can see we will be given this type of interface now. What we need to do is simply go ahead and make sure to enter our V-Bucks gift card code. Once we've entered the V-Bucks gift card code, just tap the next option and then your V-Bucks card will be successfully redeemed. This way you can redeem your V-Bucks gift card. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.